It's 8 o'clock in the morning every day. At 8 o'clock in the morning, we train together. A team that trains together, stays together. We train every day here in the office every day, 1 hour every single day. Anything that's worth doing every day. So join me into this morning training. Today we'll talk about how to best service our clients. For example, on the buyer side, today we laser focus on how to give access to our VIP buyers clients, including homes that the buyers cannot find online. We are talking about giving access to for sale by owners, foreclosures, corporate owned properties, canceled listings, homes that previously the owners want to sell. So today we have over 3,000 homes that's not available on the internet. So today we mastermind together as a team, laser focus on giving something that the clients, our buyers clients, couldn't find anywhere else. And at the same time, on the second half of the training, we focus on giving access to our sellers clients, somebody who's hired us to sell their home. We give them access to how can they sell more money. In fact, our clients' homes sell for at least $15,000 more money because we have over 30,000 buyers that we have in our database. So join me this morning, eavesdrop a little bit of so you can see our team culture, how we every day laser focus on serving our clients.
Are you thinking of selling your home? This is John Cobelt with important facts for home sellers. Why waste time with an ordinary agent? Call my friend and agent, Rudy Kusuma. Rudy may already have a buyer for your home. Rudy has thousands of qualified buyers in his exclusive Buyers in Waiting program. The fact is, Rudy Kusuma has more buyers, which means more money and a faster sale for you. Call the only one I would trust to sell my home. Call Rudy now at 855-RUDY-SELLS, 855-RUDY-SELLS, or RudyHasTheBuyers.com, RudyHasTheBuyers.com.